Hey everyone, Keith here, Tips and Tricks HQ. In this video I'm going to walk through how, using free tools, how I create the image that I use for Facebook advertising. Now I find that it's important to use an image that's the proper size. They're asking for an image that's 600 by 315, and I think it's a very good idea that we supply that kind of image. I mean, if we supply something smaller, Facebook will attempt to use it. As is the case here, I actually uploaded an image that's 292 by 154. And it looks okay, as you can see here. The full image is there, but since it's so small, it's only going to pull a square image in there when advertising in the newsfeed format. So what a lot of people end up doing, since they uploaded such a small image, they end up removing newsfeed format and they don't advertise in that section at all. So what I want to do is show you the difference. If you create an image at 600 by 315, then you can advertise in both spots and the image will look great in both spots. Alright, so the first thing I want you to do, you should get a copy of GIMP. It's a free image manipulation software. You can use whatever you want, but I'm going to be following along with GIMP. It's free, you can download it. Just do a Google search for download GIMP. And what I'm going to do is create a before and after picture of Angela Stokes. This is just for a weight loss campaign. So I'm grabbing two images and I'll show you how to do it. So what I'm looking for is to create an image at 600 by 315. So let's pull these into GIMP. Alright, so each image I'm going to want it to be 300 pixels wide. So I'm going to go ahead and shrink these down. So in GIMP you just go to Tools, Selection Tools, Rectangle, and then I'm just going to make a rectangle. Doesn't matter the height, but I'm going to go to 300. You can see in the bottom left there of the window the size of the rectangle. So I'll center that right out. Image, crop to selection. I'm going to do the same thing on this one. I'm going to Tools, Selection Tools, Rectangle, and I'm going to grab 300 pixels from here. Whoops. Let me try that again. Alright, so I'll go 300. Okay, so now, together, the reason I did 300 each is because together they're going to be 600 wide. Now I need an image that's 315 high. This one wasn't quite 315 high, but that's okay. I think I can work with it. So now this one I'm going to make sure it's only 315 high, so I'm going to I'm going to crop it by the height. So at the bottom I'm looking for 315 in the height. There we go. Let's crop that, image crop. Now, whoops, I got 314, that's okay. So let's go to File, New, create a new image at 600 by 315. Okay, now I'm going to copy and paste each of these images in there. I'm going to paste them as new layers, that way I can move them around however I want. So just go to Tools, Transform Tools, and then Move. This one's going to be on this side. Okay, so let's copy this, edit, paste as new layer, and it's in the perfect spot. Okay, so there's our image, and I'm going to be linking to a video. So what I want to do is grab a play button from the web. So I'm going to go ahead and go to images.google.com and we'll get a video play button. And I'm going to go to Search Tools, Color, Transparent. So I can get one with a transparent background. Here's one. Save that to the desktop. Open that with GIMP. Trim it down a bit. Whoops, image crop. I'm not going to scale it because it's a good size. I'm just going to copy it to the clipboard. Paste it right in here. put it about center. Now ideally, of course, I'd want an image that covers this whole, so there's no white space, but I'm just trying to work real quickly here. So I'm going to export this, file export, we'll call it before after. So now when I go to Facebook, I can upload an image that's full size, because this one, like I said, is 292 by 154, and as you recall, I cut it off so I can't even see Angela's face on the right side there. It looks good here, but it doesn't look good there. So if we go to a proper size image, 600 by 315, and allow that to upload. Okay, now it's uploaded. We can take a look. All right, that's perfect. Now I just wanted to test here, if I add a page, what happens? Okay, good. It stays the full size. Alright, there you go. Now you can set up your targeting and follow through the process. So now we got an image that's going to look good in both the newsfeed and in the right column. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.